Hello! Welcome to ROCKandLAND SKIDSTEER. We're a highly skilled forestry and land management company. What does that mean? It means that we are awesome at providing our customers with what they need in a budget they can afford. We offer services such as forestry and tree mulching, land clearing, lot development, deadfall cleanup, forest fire prevention, land reclamation, and landscape preparation. We work on new developments, golf courses, campgrounds, acreages and farms, commercial and municipal property throughout Ontario. We work for, you, landowners and developers, utility companies, home and cottage owners, farm and acreage owners, towns, and municipalities. We offer our customers quality service, direct and prompt communication, and an overall experience that will have them wanting us back to do more work. We're the company that will give you exactly what you need with the precision you won't believe.